Hey guys, as you all know, I started using the GoPro 8, and something I found about the GoPro 8, you can also use it as a webcam via USB 3.0 or the C cable. So USB into your Mac. This is only Mac right now. They haven't got the firmware and the software yet for Windows, but if you do use a Mac like I do, you can do this. And if you go to their website, go to the GoPro support hub, click on the GoPro webcam. You need to download their beta firmware, and you manually load the beta firmware onto the camera. Pretty simple. You know, throw it on the throw the update folder on the SD card, stick it in, let it do its thing. It's done. Once that's done, you download the program. It's called the GoPro Webcam Desktop Utility for Mac. You download that, you install it. You start the program, and you'll have a little camera up in your status bar. And when you plug your camera in, it'll come up with a little blue dot, and then when you're using it, that blue dot will turn red, so you know it's being used. I'm using it on OBS right now, and it seems to do a great job. I've been pretty impressed with the actual quality of the video. There's no lag or anything like that, and it works great. So, just another feature of GoPro that the others don't have. And with that, I'll say keep the shiny side up, rubber side down. Have a great day, and stay tuned. I got some more videos coming up soon.